Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. After that, get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then, to mute the music right away, hit bottom left corner. And to access wallpaper settings, on the bottom right one. Now click on Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Finally, after clicking on I accept in First Things First pop-up, you can check out all of those options, and when you're done, go back. Then tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it. In my case, it will be both, so I need to tap on Home Screen and Lock Screen and close my app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!